Hi, this is Tim from Thermoforming.tech. We help thermoforming projects to decrease the time which they spend for their project calculation and planning stage from 3 to 6 months to just a couple of weeks. And today I want to share with you information about our recent updates. And the first feature which I want to share with you is that we have added all Inpak machines to our system, and Inpak team checked the forming area calculation, checked the mold size, and confirmed that our calculations for the layouts correspond to their calculations. The second thing is that we have added max cavity automation. So now you don't have to press the buttons and to add cavities and check all the parameters. You just press one button and you get the maximum amount of cavities which is possible on your machine. And now I will show you how it works on the example of Inpak equipment. So let's get started. We will make calculation with the TS850 form cut stack with a steel rule dies for PET material. And we will start with the round product of 90 millimeters, something like a coffee lid, or you can imagine yourself. What we do now, instead of pressing more cavities and columns and rows, we just press one button, max cavities. And the forming area is filled with the product. If we want to make W layout, we just press it and we see how many cavities we get there. And if the product is rectangular, we just switch it, and here I have preset for 187 by 137 tray with a radius of 20. And as you can see, we can put 16 cavities on this machine. If we want to change the orientation, we just press one button, and we can see that there are 15 cavities now. So, if it will be not TS850 but TS800, it's a smaller machine with less cavities, and you can see that it will be on either 9 or 10 products there. Finally, if it is TSR1000, which is the biggest machine from Inpak, you can see that there can be 18 cavities or 16. So, this is the idea of the automation, and it helps you to make the calculation precisely and faster. Every time you make an automation, we make the check for the mold size and the forming area. If machine supplier provides the cutting graph, we add it to the system, and we also check linear knife length. But even if we don't have it as for the Inpak, for example, we calculate the linear knife, and when you generate the PDF, this information is there. You can just send it for confirmation to Inpak team or your mold maker, and be sure that you will have the maximum cavities which is possible on your machine. We are about to finish this video, and just a few more announcements now. We are developing clamshells, and I hope by the end of the March we will add them to the system so you can make calculations for hinged containers in mold cut and form cut stock. We are also working on imperial system, and you can make your calculations in inches and pounds quite soon. Finally, we are developing a dashboard with the Kanban cards, which will be a place where you can communicate with your suppliers and keep all the information at one place. And on this, oh, by the way, there is one more thing we are working on, and this is a course for thermoforming project managers who wants to start their new production and they are choosing their first equipment. And this course is based on the webinars which I was conducting for Seaborg Company for 2 years. The idea is that there are so many things you need to learn, study, and calculate that it takes so much time. And while you spend this time on your project calculations, your competitors are using the fast track and they're moving forward and bringing their projects faster than you do. We can help you with that, and this is the idea of the course. So if you want to learn something about thermoforming projects and calculations, or if you need help with your machine choice, you can contact me on LinkedIn, and we can book a demo and discuss how we can help your project. So that is all. Have a great day, contact me, and let's stay in touch.